So, here we are back again with the latest updates of the show Diary of a Future President. Created by Elena Pena, Diary of a Future President is a comedy series from America. After the first season, it managed to satisfy the critics, and the viewers also provided positive reviews. This comedy drama is not only loved by the people in America, but also it has managed to reach a global audience that resulted in much more appreciation. Years after the first season, the second installment was released in 2021. Now the fans are anxious to know about the future seasons. They are coming up with lots of queries related to Diaries of a Future President Season 3. If you are also the one, then you have landed at the right place. You will get to know everything about Diary of a Future President in this video. So now coming to the story and plot line of the show, Diary of a Future President Season 3, nothing is sure at the moment. A public proclamation is yet to be made by the creators, and that would only let us know about the future of this series. While going through the reception part, we came to know that the series has not only been rated well, but also the cast has been nominated for several awards. After knowing this fact, somewhere it seems like season 3 would happen in the near future. We also hope the best to take place. Our expectations say that we might see Diary of a Future President Season 3 during the mid 2022. At the present time, we cannot provide the surety as nothing has been said or revealed yet. The entire story is narrated in the form of voiceovers. It follows the series of daily life events and Elena's dream of being the President of the United States. She attends a middle school and lives with her older brother and mom. Elena, being in the phase of adolescence, has to cope up with several problems and pressures. The story also shows her friends and Elena's bonding with them. The story of Diary of a Future President Season 3 can focus more on her daily life routine, her desire, and her school journey.